Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the language on a Mercedes Sprinter 2019 model. It's the newest model. I had some inquiries about how to change the language. I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. I have more videos on my channel, about 250 or more, on how to reset, tips and tricks about some other brand of cars. If you like, you can watch them all. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. Any comments, any questions, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. As you can see, the menu is in English and I had some inquiry to change it to a different language. I had to search for myself also on how to change this. And if you are searching it over here on the steering wheel area, then it's wrong. You have to go to this area, navigation system, and tap the home button over here once you have done this, you can see all the dots over here. That means there are more menu items on the right side. So just scroll till you find settings. Press this one, and then we have to scroll to the right to system. Once you are there, you have to scroll down to language and then choose your desired language. In this case, the inquiry was for Dutch. I'm going to change it to Dutch. And as you can see, once we go back, the language has been changed in this area and also in this area. Some cars you have to change them both, but on this car just once. I hope this helped you. Did it help you and did you subscribe yet? Subscribe to my channel to support us making more videos. Hope to see you next time with another video. Take care, bye bye, stay safe.